Welcome to Keitenrenbu. We are going to be discussing how to make a proper fist today. So first thing I'm going to have you do is open your hands up like this and then roll your fingers like this. Curl them in and under and then bring your thumb so it crosses over your first finger and your middle finger like this. All right? And you're going to squeeze your pinky in and your thumb together like that. Stand right here. All right. And then for proper wrist alignment, you want your wrist to be nice and straight, like this. If you punch and your wrist is bent a little bit either direction, you can cause a hyperextension, which could cause a lot of pain. So we don't want that. So we want to have a nice flat surface with your fist. Your punch straight through like that. Like this, okay, just nice and straight. Okay? And you're going to be striking with these two knuckles, primary knuckles for the reverse punch. So, all right. So you open your hands up, roll your fingers in together like that, roll them down, and there you go. Here's your fist. Okay. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they make a fist is they have a tendency to put their thumbs inside, specifically young kids. So what I have them do is I have them open their hands up as wide as they can, and then they shake, 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 and squeeze. Shake, 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 squeeze. Get them used to being able to close their fist really fast with their thumb in the right position. So in the future, they can punch without having to try to break their thumb, which is a no-no. All right? So shake, 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 squeeze. Yeah. So when we punch, we keep our hands nice and relaxed, and then punch.